Welcome to another episode, guys. If you're running into the same issue what I'm having right now, as you guys can hear, the bass is really rattling, and I was listening to the music like this for months. I had to turn down the bass like to the bare minimum, and since I like rap music and heavy bass tones, and this was really not the way to listening to the music in the car. So what I'm going to show you today is how to replace the rear woofer. I think that's the only subwoofer in the car. So I'm going to change that, and I'm going to show you how. So let's start. Okay guys, so here is the speaker. As you can see, the cone is pretty bad. You can see through in a couple places, and we are going to replace it. Here we go. There's one of the pieces that's missing, probably from there. And here is the other one. As you can see, it's still Bang & Olufsen. The only difference is this one has this this style of protection, and this one has this I don't even know, like a snowflake kind of looking thing. So what we are going to start with, you have these screws, one, and right over there you have the other one. It's a T25. That's what we are going to use to remove. After that, we are going to inside the cabin. Better if you fold the chairs, and we're gonna remove these what is this, the C-pillar, and we have to stick one of the plastic removers into here and just pop it off. Once we are done with those two, you have to pop both of them. We're gonna remove this tray, this plastic cover, and we can get to the woofer. As you can see, it's pretty easy. Just make sure to go slow, and that's it. As you guys can see, I removed the other side. Watch out with the airbag. Make sure that you don't stick, that plastic thing too much further into to damage anything over here and over there. Make sure that all these stuffs is plugged in, because you need that for the heater, for the rear defroster. Now what we are going to do is probably popping this one out. I've seen videos that this one doesn't have nothing underneath, so we're just gonna pop this one open from here. Same rule applies. Make sure you just go slowly in and carefully lifting it up like this. You can just go slow. There's no rush. Make sure that you don't force too much. Just comfortably, popping these. Okay guys, after we pop this open, you have 4 more screws that's holding the speaker onto this what is this, this dashboard, this rear dashboard, and we need to remove these so we can unhook the connector to the speaker, and then we can remove this. Yep. As you guys can see, it is indeed a T25. Make sure that you are using this side because you don't have a lot of space from the rear window. Let's keep on going. And remove all 4 of them. Okay, after we remove those screws, you just have to push this one up, and you'll feel it that it doesn't want to go, but trust me, there's just a couple plastic pops holding, and make sure that you remove these 2 screws, otherwise it's not gonna release it. And we just have to pull it off, and I have to get out of here so I can remove it and put it on the ground. Also watch out, you have that little end piece. I don't even know how to show you guys. So you have a wire over there, so you have this wire. I don't have space. So you have a wire underneath here, and you have to push this corner section down, otherwise you're gonna start grabbing with this dashboard piece, and you might tear it out. It doesn't want to focus in there. So you're gonna have a wire right this wire is going down, and when you're pulling out this section of the dash, you have a little hook at the end of the dash, and you have another hook over here, which the video doesn't really want to show you, and you have this other wire over here. So when you're pulling it out, make sure that you're pushing this corner section down, so it's gonna come out without touching the wires on both sides. Because if you mess up something, you might gonna mess up the airbag system, and it's something that you don't want to do. Okay guys, this is what I was talking about. These 2 end pieces are pretty much in the way of this wire, and the same thing over that little white looking wire, and the same thing applies over there. You see that little end piece? Yep. So once this one is out like this, you can put it aside. You see guys, this is what's holding onto the chassis. Couple of these, and then those 2 screws, and the 4 screws that's holding this this speaker cover. Once this one is out, this is what it looks like. Okay, the next step is you remove the connector, and you have one more screw that's holding it to the, okay, this one over here. I hope you guys can see. That's again T25. Cannot really see it, but it's T25. Just put it in there, remove it, feels like it's all out. Oh, actually it's 2 screws. Looks like here's another one. You just can't see shit from here. But this is it. Watch with this end and the rear window. You definitely don't want to scratch it up. And once that one is out, we can lift this thing. Okay, now that we are out with these two screws on the two sides, as you can see, it's coming out pretty easily. And let's hope that the new one is gonna fit in there. Okay, so looks like it fits right into the hole. We have these two screw holes there as well. Looks like the only thing that's different, you have to turn this thing upside down and plug it in, and looks like this one is working as well. Okay, that's good to know. So that's it, guys. It's pretty straightforward. What you have to do now, you just put these two screws back, you put the dashboard back in here, you put these 4 screws back into the right location, and you pop this one back in there, and then you pop these two side covers, and you're good to go. I hope you guys this video was helpful. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the like button, because these days I really have to beg for likes. Otherwise, you know, the YouTube algorithm is stop showing it to people. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.